Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to a Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to secure your assets better, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Ledger Nano X is one of the most reliable hardware wallets out there, so moving your Litecoin over can give you that extra peace of mind. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready. You'll need your Arculus wallet app open on your phone or computer, and your Ledger Nano X connected to your device via USB. Also, double-check that you have some Litecoin in your Arculus wallet. Nothing worse than trying to transfer from an empty account. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the Litecoin section. Look for the Send or Transfer option. Before you proceed, you'll need the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. So, grab your Ledger device, unlock it with your PIN, and open the Litecoin app on it. Once that's done, go to the Receive function on your Ledger to generate and display a unique Litecoin address. Write this down or copy it carefully. Crypto addresses are long and unforgiving if you get them wrong. Back in your Arculus wallet, paste that Ledger address into the To field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees for Litecoin are usually low, but always confirm to avoid surprises. Hit Send and confirm the transaction on your Arculus app. You'll likely need to verify it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Now, wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's confirmed, check your Ledger Nano X balance to make sure the Litecoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams or errors. If you run into issues, reach out to the wallet support teams. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.